We got Steve Jobs. What's up, buddy? That's his brother? Yeah, this nigga was on the P. Diddy list. I seen him on a picture on the yacht. There he was on the yacht. He was like, it's great weather today, huh? What do you say about that, Puff Daddy? What do you do for a living? Electrician, get the fuck out of here. If he's an electrician, there's no way you're an electrician. Somebody lying. Yeah, you fucking. How long you been an electrician? 32 years, hell yeah. What are you? How old are you? 64. You got a wife? Your wife died? How'd she die? Shock? Thank you. Smart ones got it.